Okay, here it goes. It's called Who's Knocking at My Door? Who's knocking at my door? It's Christmas Eve, don't wanna talk no more. Who's knocking at my door? It's Christmas Day and my lungs are sore. It's hard and I'm blue, 'cause it's not you, it's not you. It's hard to care when you're not there, when you're not there. Who's knocking at my door? It's New Year's Eve and I need some sleep. Who's knocking at my door? It's New Year's Day, I don't know what to say. Last year it felt so long, 'cause you're just gone. New one is here. I'm holding back my tears. I'm holding back my tears. Well, I hope you know what you mean to me. And you saw your ornaments on my tree. The New Year's here and I'm not leaving you behind. There's not a day that passes, you're not on my mind. There's not a day that passes, you're not on my mind. There's not a day that passes, you're not on my mind. It's my first time doing this, so you guys are awesome. Thank you. And thank you, Vanna, for the opportunity. You rock.
That was so touching. That was like unbelievable. Please make some more noise for these two.